Does cracking your knuckles give you arthritis? Good question. Here's the thing, there's no scientific proof that it does. The sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is actually just gas bubbles popping in your joint fluid. Nothing dangerous, just annoying. And studies have shown that people who crack their knuckles are no more likely to develop arthritis than those who don't. But, and I cannot emphasize enough how much I hate to say this, but if you crack your knuckles too much, it could cause your hands to swell up or even reduce your grip strength. So if you're someone who cracks their knuckles all day long, every day, you might want to see a doctor. Otherwise, don't worry. Cracking your knuckles is not something to be ashamed of. It's just a harmless habit that some people do. So next time you hear someone cracking their knuckles, don't be like,